This is John, and he just bought a new Dremel tool and can't wait to try it out. But before he gets started, he will register his new tool within 4 weeks of purchase for an extra year of guarantee. To get this extra year of guarantee, you go to dremel.com/MyDremel on your desktop, tablet, mobile. Fill in your personal data and choose a password. Don't forget to select the checkbox. After you've filled in all the requested info, you will receive an email to verify your registration. Now you're ready to log in. To register your tool, fill in the barcode of the tool, see packaging. You can also use your camera to scan the barcode. Fill in the requested data to complete your registration. Congratulations! You registered your tool. Now you can download your guarantee certificate. But MyDremel has a lot more to offer. John will now have an overview of all the Dremel tools he owns and also access to all the key information that he will need at any time. If he ever has a question or a problem, MyDremel service support will be happy to help. John will now be perfectly prepared for a wide variety of DIY tasks. Be like John and discover your very own DIY world at dremel.com/MyDremel.